how to get the new free reward in Brawl Stars. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to claim the new free reward in Brawl Stars quickly and easily. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any steps. Now, let's get started. First, open Brawl Stars on your device. Once the game is opened, tap on the three lines located at the top corner of the screen. Then tap on the inbox option from the menu. Once the inbox is opened, there are all of your rewards available. Tap on the Claim button to add it to your inventory. After claiming, go to your inventory or Brawler collection to check your new reward. And that's it! Now you know how to get the latest free reward in Brawl Stars. Make sure to log in daily to not miss out on any future free rewards. Also, keep an eye on special events, challenges, and updates because Supercell often releases new limited-time gifts. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tip. Let me know in the comments what reward you got. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.